Hello, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox not launching issue. So if you are facing an issue where you just simply start a Roblox game and the launcher does not start, as you can see right over here. So if this happens to you, let me show you how you can fix this problem. Now there are many ways that you can try to fix this issue and I'm going to show you all of them one by one. So the first thing that you have to do is just simply open your control panel. So just simply go to your control panel and search for Roblox. Just simply type R on your keyboard and you'll find Roblox right over here. So just simply uninstall the application and now click on OK. Now once the Roblox application is gone, again open the same game or any game, and this time a new tab pop-up will appear right over here where it will ask you to download and install Roblox. Click on download and install. Now what setup will be installed on your Chrome or any browser. Now just simply install the launcher. So click on it, click on run, and then just simply install Roblox as you can see right over here. Now for most of you this process will help you with the issue, but in some case if this process is still not working for you, let me show you what to do after that. So as you just saw, my launch started. So if many of you are still facing the issue, just simply follow these steps. So right click on your start menu, then go to run, and then just simply type the following. Just simply type in %app data %, as you can see right over here. Then click on OK. Now a new folder will open in front of you. So over here in the top, click on app data, then click on local. And right over here, just simply search for Roblox. So just simply type R, then you will find Roblox over here. Click on it. Then just simply click on the versions over here. And just simply see which is the latest version. So just simply click on date modified over here and it will give you the latest version. As you can see right over here. Now what you will do is just simply open that. So over here you will find Roblox player launcher. Just simply double click on it. Now wait for a few seconds. And it should fix your Roblox launcher if it has any issue. Now if you're still facing the issue, go back to the versions over here and delete all the previous version. Just like this. And then press on delete. And then just simply remove them from recycle bin as well. Now once you have done that, and if you're still facing the issue, the last thing what you can do is just simply uninstall the Roblox from control panel. And then just simply go to your Microsoft Store. And then download the Roblox launcher as an application. So let me show you what I mean. All you have to do is go to your Microsoft Store and search for Roblox, just like this. And over here you will find Roblox, which is the application itself. So all you have to do is just simply install this and then start your games and play Roblox through this application itself. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.